Hello, welcome to OneSub Tutorials. My name is Vivek, and today I'll show you how to use OneShub's API request tool with Zapier Agents. This would allow you to utilize OneShub's API request functionality and carry out functions within OneShub using your Zapier agent. As an example, you could instruct the Zapier agent to utilize the API request and get available time slots for a specific booking calendar. You could also ask the Zapier agent to schedule a meeting or make changes to existing bookings, such as canceling or rescheduling a booking or just getting the booking details. To get started, you can log into OneShub. You can click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on Account Integrations. From here, we can go to APIs and webhooks to generate our API key from here. You can also refer to our API reference and developers documentation at developers.oneshub.com. Once you have this information available, you can go ahead and log into OneShub and start creating your Zapier agent. For this video, we would be creating our agent from scratch. For the trigger, I will be using an on-demand trigger since we will be testing the Zapier agent in the preview mode. I already have some set of instructions. Within the set of instructions, you would have to provide your OneShub API key. I have also provided some information on the API references and endpoints that the agent can use. This would cut down on some search time and some response time. And we will add the tool for the API request so that the agent is able to place this request using the connection with OneShub. Once this is set up, we will go ahead and enter the preview mode and test the agent. So we can see the available functions. Let's try to get some availability. While we are testing out the Zapier agent, we would have to approve the API request. This is only needed to be done while we are testing it in this mode. This would also allow us to see if the API request is being sent correctly or not. As an example, we can see an error here. The app returned invalid API key. This can happen sometimes with the Zapier agent. However, it will automatically retry and ask us to approve another request. Let's see if it is successful this time in in getting available time slots for this week. So it looks like the Zapier agent was able to make some progress and it is now able to get me the available time slots. So I'm going to book the earliest time slot and I will just provide some test details. So I've just provided the Zapier agent a fake name and email so that we can see if a meeting is being scheduled successfully or not. So again, the agent is thinking. And we can approve the request again to see if a booking is being scheduled correctly or not. Perfect. It looks like the meeting was scheduled correctly. Lastly, let's see if the agent can cancel the meeting using the API request. So the agent was able to cancel the meeting. Let's also take a look within OneServe to ensure that it is working correctly. So I will search for all my meetings and just search for the booking ID. And it looks like it was cancelled correctly. So a meeting was actually scheduled within my OneServe account and cancelled correctly using the API request, and it was done by the Zapier agent. I hope this video was helpful in understanding how API requests can be used by your Zapier agent. In case you have any queries, you can always reach out to us at support@oncehub.com. I hope you have a good day and take care.